Guys, my friend's got a 1970 remote control Dodge Charger. Where's that Challenger? 1970 Dodge Challenger. This thing went out to do my remote control Volkswagen any day. Get over here and do a donut. Oh,
oh my gosh, you didn't. I don't have very good traction right now because I don't have all-wheel drive. I've only got two-wheel drive.
he jumped a little pit. Oh my. Oh my! Oh, dude, they just jumped that!
That was my plan.
Dude, that's so cool! And now you got it stuck again.
Yeah.
Did it do anything? Here it comes. Nikes! Oh! Nice! Holy crap! Was that full throttle? Oh my! And that was... How fast can this thing run top speed?
I'm not exactly sure. I've never actually thought.
Oh!
I did that one on purpose. Just for the video.
That's so cool. Where'd he go? There it is. Run that sucker wide open.
Well, that was a little oops there. Went off course.
Whoops.
I had a big parking lot. I could run it wide open.
Like the mall?
Like I said, these gravel shit ain't helping me.
No, it ain't. Nikes. Here it comes. Nice, like a little drift. Got him high centered. That thing moves fast. Oh, I think my battery is going bad on my remote control car, the one I got. Nice. That's funny. Oh my. Oh man.
Did you get a good burnout from it?
Yeah. Hey, now you got it stuck.
Yeah, it got hung up.
Let her rip. Hey! not shot with the gravel.
Here comes another burnout. Ready?
Yep. Ow. Yeah.
Whoa, that was a lot of line throw.
Oh! Hit the van.
See if I can get it to get some air off of the...
You need to get it going at a good speed though. Oh, now you got stuck. Got a remote control car on crack pretty much. Nice. Hey Thomas, you're not supposed to take your feet out.
Who put that there?
A little drift action there. Get her a straight line, keep it, and jump that water hole. I mean, hole. Earlier you flipped it. Whoa! Boy, that thing with no drive shaft in the front. I think you should leave it like that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, but it handles a lot better with...
Yeah. Oh, wow! Is that why it's so squirrely? Because that...
Yeah.
Oh! Out and around it. Hee-hee! Nice. Whoa! I wonder what Herbie would do if he can jump it with a big battery. Nice. This car goes. This thing lasts longer than Herbie on a battery. Whee! Nice. Dang, that was some serious air on that. Look at this. When he comes back through here, watch this. Car's down here. He's going to hit that manhole cover. Whee! That looks... How often do you gotta change the tires on those? Whoa!
Oh, you missed that one. I don't know if you caught that one or not.
I don't know. Something scraped.
Yeah, because it wasn't full. Well done. Let's see if I can get it good.
Good thing you got good shocks on that.
Oops. In the ground.
This is too funny. Oh! Oh yeah, that time I heard it. The back end plate cover scraped that. Oh, yep, there we go. Yeah, this video, when I put it on YouTube, I'll share the link and tag you in on Facebook. Oh, drag the nose cone. Oh my. Ooh. He about to hit the front of the van.
What you need to do is try to set your phone up against like the tire of your car,
yeah,
or the van, and let it drive by it.
Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna set you guys down here. I got it facing that way. You see where my cam's at, Thomas?
Yeah.
This car is quick. Here it comes. Oh man.
That'll be good footage of it.
Yeah, it will be. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video. That was pretty cool. And yes, I have permission to upload this video, so here we go. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Before I go, I just want to remind you, Jesus loves you. Have a wonderful day.